If you get a sudden clutch pressure loss on your Volkswagen Audi group, pretty much across the range, Golf, Caddy, the Skodas, the Seats, and you look under the bonnet and you look down in this area, down by your master cylinder, and you can see clutch fluid everywhere. Chances are it's a split clutch master cylinder, and I'm going to show you how to take it out. So first things first, depending on what sort of setup you've got, this one here is fairly tight, but it's not the end of the world. You've got to first of all vac some of the fluid out of your brake master cylinder so it doesn't leak everywhere, and then it's an easy case of disconnecting this plastic pipe. It pulls off there, that's the feed for the clutch, and then it pulls off the top of the clutch master as well. Top of the clutch master would be down there where that big hole is. We've got a heat plate on top of the DPF just here. That was on those three nuts. I find it easier just to spin them off. It gives you just a few millimeters more access so you can get your wrist in there. Once you've got your pipe off and you've got that heat shield off, you then want to get down onto the top of the clutch master cylinder, which the only portion you'd see sticking through the hole is this bit here. So that's where your pipe goes on, which is this pipe here. And then you've got a clip. So you're doing it a little bit blind, but you need to get your little pick underneath, slide this one out to there, and then disconnect your hydraulic pipe, which is down there. You can just pull that out the bottom. When you do pull it out the bottom, make sure that the O-ring seal is intact on the end of the pipe so that when it goes back together it doesn't leak. And then you need to get inside. Oh, one other thing as well I forgot. Another awkward part is the clutch switch, which is there, which goes on the side of the master and plugs in just here. Again, you're doing it a little bit blind. You need to get your little pick in on the top of this tab here, just there. You need to lift that one up and then pull that one off. That can be a bit of a faff and a bit of a fiddle. Be careful you don't break it, or then you will be properly snookered. Just be gentle with that and be patient, and then it will unclip. So assuming you've got that far and you haven't just taken it to the garage because you can't be bothered, or if you are in a garage, unlucky, take all your plastics off your dash. So quite a lot of it, bit of a pile of plastic as it is these days. There's a metal catcher here with a 13mm bolt on it. That bolts up the top here. That just sits over the top of the clutch pedal. You want that one off. And then there's a little heater vent which comes across here, screws in on that one. Take that one off. Just gives you a bit better access. And then it's easy enough. There's 1, 2, 3. Top one up there. 3 13mm bolts. And then you can pull your pedal box complete with slave out, and then I'll show you how to replace it. All right, put it very, very gently in the vise. I mean, I've got little or no grab on that. It's literally just to hold it. It's only made of plastic, so be gentle. Once you've got it in the vise with the clutch pedal facing up, you've got a couple of tabs here which you have to put in. That one there and the same on the other side. Push those little white tabs in and keep a little bit of weight on the pedal coming backwards. As you push them in, you should be able to then just free this little spreadable clip, which has got 2 tongues on it. So you should be able to free that one, and then once you get that far, this one just twists There's a little locator here, little sprung one, and then the master cylinder twists. And then you have to pull the ball out from that white plastic clip, just twist and release. And there's your cylinder out. You can't see the split on it, sometimes you can. And then it's just reverse the procedure to get it all back together. Good luck with that.